નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6th subject English unit number 4th reuse, reduce, recycle. Students, in our previous videos we completed activity number 1 to 7. Now today in this video we have to do activity number 8. But before starting our activity number 8, just we have to revise what we learned in our previous videos. In activity number 6, we studied about a poem, Working on the Trash. Working on the trash. In that poem, we discussed about recycling, reducing and reusing. After that, in activity number 7, we do little activity. We create our own poem based on activity number 6. Now today, activity number 8. So open your English textbook, page number 34 of your English textbook and keep attention here. What is this? In activity number 8, we have to understand about it. Activity number 8, I read from the textbook line by line. Just keep attention here. The students of one school made this list of things they have left over after a party. Here, students of one school make a list of things they have left over after party. Party ओवर हो जाने के बाद जो चीजें बस बची है उसका उसने लिस्ट बनाया है. So you can see the leftover list also here on the board. Same in your textbook. जो आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में है सेम यहाँ पे लिस्ट बना हुआ है जो चीजें बची है उसके लिए. लेफ्ट ओवर आफ्टर अ पार्टी. लेफ्ट ओवर आफ्टर अ पार्टी. व्हाट इज which type of things remain left over here? Just we have to understand about. First of all, 30 napkins remain, 2 cake plates is there, 4 cups, 6 plastic spoons is there, 1.5 cake remain, dirty paper tablecloth is there, 10 popped balloons is there. Popped balloons. थोड़े हुए फुगे. 10 popped balloons. Then one banner is there. Flowers from centerpieces. उसमें से centerpieces जो रखा गया है उसमें flowers है वो बचे हैं. Then confetti swept from the floor. Confetti swept from floor. जो floor में बिखरे गए हैं जो stars like that shining things होते हैं वो सभी चीजें हैं. Then one party blowers is there. One party blowers is there. You can party blowers. You see that. 2 tone party hats is there. 2 tone party hats is there. Streamers, different types of colorful streamers is there. 3 burnt cake candles is there. 3 burnt cake candles is also there. So all the list is given here. It is left over after party. Party over हो जाने के बाद ये सभी चीजें बची हैं. Now what we have to do based on that? Just we have to understand about it. Here on downside some instruction is given. See, write a paragraph describing one thing you can make or things you can do with the things left over. Now you have to create a one paragraph. What you do with that leftover things? आप इसमें से क्या बना सकते, क्या नई चीज बना सकते रियूज करके. आप रियूज करके क्या बना सकते हैं इसमें से. जस्ट यू हैव टू मेक अ पैराग्राफ रिलेटेड. सो दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू क्रिएट पैराग्राफ हियर. व्हाट यू डू विद दैट लेफ्ट ओवर. आप लेफ्ट ओवर बचा है उसमें से आप क्या बना सकते हैं. डोंट थ्रो एनीथिंग अवे. इसमें से कोई भी चीज आपको फेंकना नहीं. You have to use most of things to making a new things. You don't have to throw anything. So now we have to see what type of things we can do. We can create from that left over. So let's start our study about it. Which type of things we can create from that leftover. First of all, 30 napkin is there. 30 napkins is there. So from napkins, what we can do? हम क्या बना सकते हैं? These napkins can be used for craft work. हम कुछ क्राफ्ट वर्क में उसे यूज कर सकते हैं. 30 napkins को हम 30 napkins जो बचे हैं उसको हम अलग तरीके से कुछ क्राफ्ट वर्क में यूज कर सकते हैं. Then different craft articles can be made with these papers. हम पेपर नैपकिन्स को क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? क्राफ्ट वर्क में यूज कर सकते हैं. So it's become a reuse. Leftover things reuse we can do 30 napkins. After that, 2 cake plates is there. 2 cake plates is there. So what we can do with that cake plates? So plastic or paper plates can be colored and or cut into different shapes like triangles, semicircle, oval, rectangle, cone, cylinder, and can be used as an educational tool or decorative items. We can cut the plates, cake plates, in a different shape, triangles, oval shape, then oval shapes. All the types of shapes we can create from that dish, and we can use as a educational tool here. हम उसे educational tool के तरीके से use कर सकते हैं. Then next thing is that 4 cups is that 4 cups. 4 cups can be used to make a lamp sets. We can create a lamp set. A sets, wonderful colored lamp sets can be made of this cup. हम इस कप से क्या बना सकते हैं? लैम्प सेट बना सकते हैं. लैम्प के ऊपर रखने के लिए लैम्प सेट बना सकते हैं with that 4 cups. Then 6 plastic spoons. हम प्लास्टिक स्पून्स का क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? Plastic spoons, if tied together, can make a very melodious wind chime. If we tied all the plastic spoons with each other and make a melodious wind chime भी बना सकते हैं. हम उसे विंडोज के पर और दरवाजे पर लगा सकते हैं और जैसे पवन है वो ऐसे आवाज हो जाती है. That types of articles we can make from plastic spoons. Okay. Now 1.5 cake remain. Now what will you do with that 1.5 cake? So 1.5 cake can be further cut and be converted into pastries. हम उससे कट करके पेस्ट्रीज में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. It can also be used to decorate or garnish pudding. हम उसे गार्निश और पुडिंग बनाने में भी यूज कर सकते हैं. हम उसकी पेस्ट्री बना सकते हैं 1.5 केक जो बची है उसकी. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट dirty paper tablecloth is that. What we do with that dirty paper tablecloth? So can be cleaned and may be used as a covering to add certain things, or can be used in packing papers or anything else. We can wash it with clear water, and after that we can reuse it again to cover up some things lying on in our home. हम अपने घर में जो चीजें पड़ी उसे ढकने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं डर्टी पेपर टेबल क्लॉथ को धो के. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट 10 popped balloons. What we do with that popped balloons? 10 popped balloons के साथ हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Popped balloons can be used further to prepare festoons along with color papers, lights, flowers, etc. We can make a different article from the popped balloons. उसमें हम पेस्ट करके कोई नया आर्टिकल्स बना सकते हैं. कोई पेपर में हम पेस्ट करके उसे नए तरीके से कुछ नए आर्टिकल्स बना सकते हैं. Then next thing is that banner. Banner is that. What we do with that banner? Banner, if spread on the table on its reverse side, can be good tablecloth. If banner is that, if we can turn it opposite side, हम उसे उल्टा करके किसी टेबल पर रख सकते हैं ऐसे tablecloth. It's a one good idea to using banners once again. Understand, student? Now flowers from centerpieces. जो flowers बचे हैं उसका हम क्या कर सकते हैं? These flowers can be put once more into a vase. हम उसे दूसरे वास में रख सकते हैं जिससे हमारा घर डेकोरेटिव हो जाएगा. So it is reusing of flowers from centerpiece. Now next thing is that confetti swept from the floor. Confetti swept from the floor. What we can do with that things? So the confetti can be made use of when preparing a collage. हम उसे जो पेपर के टुकड़े हैं उससे हम कोलाज बना सकते हैं हमारे स्कूल के लिए. If drawing teacher give you the work to do one collage, so paper pieces we can collect from the floor and we can make a collage from that paper pieces. It is a reusing of confetti scraps from the floor. Now next thing is that one party blower is there. What we can do with that blower? So party blower can be used as a tricycle horn. We can use as a tricycle horn for children जो tricycle चलाते हैं उसका horn हम बना सकते हैं party blower से. वो साइकिल चलाते वो blower बजाता रहेगा. So it's a one type of reusing of that party blower. वो party blower का reusing होगा. Then two-tone party hats is there. What we can do that party hats? So they can serve as a joker caps. We can create we can modify it and we can create a joker cap. Joker जो कहता है वैसे कैप हम उसमें से बना सकते हैं. पार्टी हेड्स में से जोकर जैसे हम सराउंडिंग कलर्स करके उसे जोकर जैसे टॉप बनकर हेड बना सकते हैं और वी कैन reuse it once again. Then streamers is that. What we can do with that streamers? Streamers can be used for further decoration of wedding, car, birthday wall, etc. We can use streamers again to decorate our home, decorate our car, or anything else, or for another party. We can save it. Okay? Can you understand? And now last one is that three burned cake candles is that. So what we can do with that three burned cake candles? Three burned cake candles, half burned or party burned candles may be used in making floating lamp or may serve as lamps in the kites flown after sunset. हम उसमें से उसे जब भी बिजली चली जाए तब भी यूज कर सकते हैं और अगर अदरवाइज वी कैन फ्लोट पेपर काइट at the night time. At that time we can put that burning candle inside that thing and we can tukkal like that in Uttarayan time you can use tukkal. So at that time tukkal in that tukkal you can use that burning candles. Okay, understand na? So all the things we cannot throw. We must have to survive. All the things have reused. हम कोई भी चीज को रीयूज कर सकते हैं. सो डोंट थ्रो एनीथिंग एल्स एंड मेक न्यू थिंग्स फ्रॉम दैट थिंग्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अंडरस्टैंड? बिकॉज अवर लेसन इज दैट रीयूज, रिड्यूस एंड रिसाइकल. हमें रीयूज करना है, रिड्यूस करना है एंड रिसाइकल करना है. सो ऑल द थिंग्स वी कैन यूज once again to make a new article or one or another way to useful things. Okay, understand student? Here can you understand student all the things what I say here? So here our activity number 8 over. Remaining activity we have to see in our next video.
Thank you for joining us.